So how does someone go from this to this without makeup? Only using skincare products? We are going to be doing this with Typology Paris today, using only their tinted skin treatments. Let's go. What an exciting day. I know a lot of you care about the ingredients in your skincare. And we're always talking about skincare because we're always talking about French girl style for American women. And skincare is at the root of looking great. So today we're reviewing some Typology Paris products. So I want to talk about what pleasantly surprised me, what completely shocked me, and what I'm really excited about. I just want to mention that if you're interested in any of these Typology Paris products that I show today, for the next week you can use my link below and you will receive a free bi-phase makeup remover with any purchase over $40. I'm sure you can see that I am sans makeup. I did put on some eyebrow gel, and that is it, babies. We're going to be talking about at least 7 products from Typology Paris, who is the sponsor of this video today. And I didn't know about them before they sent me this box. And now I'm feeling like I didn't know anything before. I didn't know anything. You can forget those other videos about French girl style skincare. So I've been using these products for about a week. So I got to really know them and figured out what did and didn't work for me. And you know, we're actually not going to be wearing any makeup today, but a lot of these skincare items are tinted. They're not necessarily makeup, but they are tinted treatments. So this serum that is tinted will even out my skin tone. This thicker serum that acts like a concealer will be able to cover up my sunspots and dark circles, but they are skincare first. And that's what I found really exciting about these Typology products. It's all about skincare first. And that is the most important to French girl style makeup and look, is that skincare first. Okay, so the order that you want to put these things in, I'm going to be putting on the moisturizer first. Then I'm going to put on my sunscreen, which is not part of this Typology haul. I wear sunscreen every day. Not everybody does, but I do. So I will be putting on this moisturizer, my sunscreen, and then we're going to go with the tinted serum. So let's go with the moisturizer first. This moisturizer is just satiny and soft, and it does not run into my contact lenses, which is actually ultimately most important to me. This face moisturizer has only 9 ingredients. I think that a lot of the moisturizers that I normally choose have a little bit of a oiliness to them afterwards because I want to feel moisturized. But this was able to moisturize my face without feeling oily at the end. Now I'll put a layer of sunscreen on top of this. You use the sunscreen that works best for you. Let's talk about this tinted serum. I have fair and I have light. My skin goes somewhere between fair and light. I love having both of these because depending on whether it's going to be winter or spring or summer, I can add a drop of one or the other to make it lighter or darker. And it's really not a huge difference, but I like having that versatility. This tinted serum has vitamin C and aloe vera, and it comes in a little dropper bottle. And I think what we're going to do is just put 2 drops here, and we're going to start with the fair. I'm a little olivey, but I think you might want to see how the fair reads on my skin. And now I'm going to show you the light serum. And you can see that the color difference is so slight. This is the fair and this is the light. Okay, let's see the difference. Let's maybe put it on this side. I don't care. You're just going to see a very slight difference in how it comes across. They both blend into my skin seamlessly. I'm going to tap some on my eyelids as well because what I found is that this stuff actually does not run into my eyes either, which is a miracle, actually. Okay, so as you can see, they both melt into my skin. Not a big deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of mix them together and finish the rest of my face. I'm just going to tap it in all over. You can already see that it's covering the redness in my forehead. And let's watch the redness in my chin disappear. You can see that it added so much nice coverage. I always have a little bit of veins showing through right here, so that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to pat it down the neck a little bit. As you can see, this is already gorgeous. I think at the end of this, I probably would finish off with a loose powder, but wow, this look makes my skin look so great. Okay, now we're not finished here. Not at all. Let's do this. Instead of concealer next, let's talk about this lip oil. I'm always talking about how I don't like the color of my lips and it's too light. And so here we have some tinted lip oils. The lip oil has vitamin E and squalane, ruby red lip oil, and we have powder pink lip oil. And I think that since I'm going with a very minimalist look today, we're going to do the powder pink. But at the end, if you'd like to see the ruby red, I will show that. I also have a clear here, and I really like that at bedtime. Okay, let's take a look. Here's the powder pink. Should I do half of my lips first? Probably. And you see the difference. It just adds a little bit of polish to my face. Let's do the other side. And that just looks a little bit more polished, a little bit more like some care was taken. Already, I think this is looking pretty good. So this is like the tinted serum we were using earlier, but thicker. I'll give you a chance to see what this looks like. Okay. So I put that much on my skin. Let's blot it out so that you can kind of see what's going on here. Okay. I'm going to use this very sparingly. I'm going to use this on the sun spot I have right here. Ooh, I used probably too much. It's easy to use too much. All you need is the tiniest little dot. And I'm going to use some on the inner corner of my eyes. Let's push that a little bit over the veiny parts of the eyelid. Pretty. Can you see the difference? It's just nice, natural enhancement. But it's skincare. I'm just putting on my skincare. And I think that a lot of people skip skincare because they take the time to put on their makeup and they don't want to spend any more time than that. But this allows you to skip a lot of the makeup if you just do your skincare right. Okay, let's do the other side. I have a little bit of a broken capillary on this side of my nose. It's right there. We're going to cover that. Always have a bit of redness there. And I'm going to put a little bit here at the corners of my eyes where I'm a little bit veiny. And guess what? It doesn't settle into my creases by the end of the day. That was very exciting. I was very pleasantly surprised to find out that this stuff did not run into my eyes and mess with my contacts. I know I look super shiny right now. That's what you do want to start with. You want to start with kind of a shiny look so that when you put powder over that, you look like you are glowing. And I already feel like I am glowing like crazy. I'm very excited that Typology also sent this Lash and Brow Serum that I can apply at night. This is so great. This is exactly what I needed. It has the mascara wand that I can put on my eyelashes and my eyebrows at night. So I'm treating my lashes and my brows at night to grow. And this does have castor oil in it as well as other natural and effective ingredients. So Typology Paris, they really care about having as many natural ingredients as possible and as few ingredients as possible, which I think is really cool because what I found out, and this is the shocking thing, the EU bans over 1,300 ingredients in their skincare items because they don't want to poison you. That's nice. So there are 1,300 banned ingredients in skincare in products formulated in Europe, and these are formulated in France. And in the US, do you want to know the number of banned items in skincare? This is so crazy. 11. There are only 11 banned substances in American skincare. There are 1,300 banned items in Europe because a lot of those are terrible for us, and we're slathering them on every day in the US. So that's the shocking thing I found out. The thing I was pleasantly surprised about is how well these skincare items actually took the place of my makeup. And not only that, I can treat the problem rather than trying to gloss over it. Okay, so here's the issue. I have puny eyelashes and not great eyebrows, and I wasn't treating them. I was just letting them go, put mascara on it, whatever. But now I have an eyelash and brow treatment to wear at night. And not only that, they have a mascara to wear during the day that is also a serum. So you're treating your eyelashes during the day as well. So you have a treatment on your eyelashes day and night. So I can't wait to see how much this helps my eyelashes come to life. I've only been doing this for a week, so I'm going to have to do an update. So let's put on this treatment mascara, this serum mascara. All right, here we go. I always need a Q-tip chaser. I am not a wizard. People who can apply mascara and eyeliner without a Q-tip chaser are practicing witchcraft. I'm just jealous. I don't know if it's the shape of my eyelid that always makes it such a mess, or if I'm just a mess. Come on, guys. This is actually amazing. I haven't put any makeup on yet, except for my brow gel. This stuff is not makeup. This is skincare. You can put on your skincare and you can enjoy a more polished look. I'm in love with this stuff. I am in love with this. I really would like to talk about the glow drops. And these have vitamin C. This is also a treatment, but it's a highlighter. Shh, don't tell anybody. Treatment that's a highlighter. Yes, please. Let's do it. Here are the glow drops. Let's look at this. Look how pretty that is. Okay, when it comes to highlighter, you're hitting the top of your cheekbones. Tap it in. I know, I'm already shiny. Don't worry, we're going to powder it. You're going to need this. Trust me. Tap those cheekbones. Take a little bit, just a little tiny bit up here. Eyelid, right in the middle. Brow bone, yes. Brow bone, right in the middle. And then you can take the rest and put it on your neck. A shiny neck? No, not really. It just gives it a nice glow. And you know, our necks need all the help they can get. Wow, look how pretty and nice and natural this is. So I'm gonna dust a little bit of powder at this point, and you'll see that I actually have nearly a finished makeup look with just my skincare on. So I'm gonna hit the T-zone. Can we please zoom in and look at my skin texture? I've tried many concealers and foundations, and I have not achieved this level of glow and evenness. It looks so natural and so good. I feel like I look like a little angel. So, am I happy with this box from Typology Paris? I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic about the way my skin has been looking. I did not expect this box of products to change entirely how I think about what I'm doing with my face, but it totally did. I feel like this is going to be the most perfect look for me on this Sunday. I'm very excited about this. I've been excited about this for a week and I couldn't wait to talk to you about it. So, what products would I personally recommend that you try? Love this moisturizer. Feels amazing. My skin felt moisturized all day. Love, love, love the Tinted Serum and the Tinted Concealer Serum. Love, love, love the feel of this powder pink lip oil. Natural, pretty, effortless. Love the glow drops here on the cheekbones and the eyelids and the neck. So good. So good. It's not glittery or shimmery, it's glowy. Incredible. And I love, love, love the idea of treating my eyelashes day and night and having a mascara application wand for brow serum that I can wear at night. Love all of this. So this little experiment has really inspired me to use less toxic products and really be more aware of what I'm putting on my skin. Because you would think that if you went to a more natural type application, that it wouldn't be as good. But it's way, way better. So that was another reason I was pleasantly surprised. I'm ecstatically surprised. And if you want to try these products for yourself, please use my link below in the description. I will try to link it above as well. Worth a try. Absolutely worth a try. The only thing I would add is some cheek color. Now, would you like to see me try to use this red lip oil on my cheek? I would. Fun. Okay, so I put a little bit here. I put a little bit here on my hand. And I'm going to tap it on my cheek. I'm putting about 4 little dabs of that on my hand. And then I'm going to tap that out. And I'm going to put that on my cheekbone. Well, I hadn't tried that before. That is a very pleasant surprise. Let's zoom in. How pretty is this stuff, guys? Now, that was a lip oil, so if you found that you just shined yourself up too much there, you could bring a little dab of the powder back out. That is just a real pretty and subtle flush. Ooh, I love all this stuff so much. Would you like to see it on the lips? Probably. If you've watched this far, you want to see it on the lips. Okay, here we go with the ruby red lip oil on the lips. You're actually going to be surprised that it's not as red as you think. It adds color, but it's not like a bold red lip. So there is a really nice, more colorful look by adding the lip oil on my cheeks. Wow, these colors. I can't get over how naturally beautiful these products are. It's changed my entire idea of the products I should be putting on my skin. Because if I can do less and look better, sign me up. Sign me up, Typology Paris. Loved it. Thank you for this box. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And I hope that you can see through this camera what I'm seeing with my own eyes, which is probably a miracle. Let's definitely talk more about French skincare. I'll see you soon.